Good morning, students of class 6. In my previous video I have explained you question first and second, so we will move on to question third. Hope you have done homework till question second. So now we will move on to our question third, which is fill in the blanks. Will, that's not will, it's a misprint. Here it will be with, less than or greater than symbol, sign. So we have a number 34,412 dash 34,313. So we have to compare these numbers. First you must know what are these signs. So do you recall these symbols? This is greater than symbol, this is less than symbol, and this is equal to symbol. Now what do this symbol means? What do this symbol mean? Do you recall the story of evil alligator? The evil alligator always used to open his mouth wherever he saw the bigger number. He used to open his mouth and eat them. So in this case we have 6 and 3. Between 6 and 3, 6 is the bigger number. So the evil alligator will open his mouth toward 6. This symbol is the greater than symbol. So the greater than sign eats up the greater number on the left. When we have bigger number on left, so we use the greater than sign. Now once again we have two numbers 4 and 8. In this case 8 is the bigger number, so the evil alligator will open his mouth towards 8, and this symbol is the less than symbol or the less than sign. It eats up the greater number on the right. So this is your right, 8 is the greater number which is on your right, 4 is the smaller number which is on your left. So we use the less than sign. This sign is called the less than sign because this is read as 4 less than 8. So this is the less than sign. And in this case we have 10 and 10 on both the sides. So the two numbers are the same. So we use the equal to sign. It is used between two equal numbers. This is equal to sign. What we read it as 10 is equal to 10. Hope you understood about these symbols. So we'll move on to our question first. 34,412 dash 34,313. So when we compare two numbers, we can always count. So when we compare, how many digits are there? 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. So when we compare 5-digit numbers, we can always count the numbers. We can always count till we reach the greater number to find which of the two is the bigger number. I will explain you in a simple way. इजी तरीके से बताऊँ, इजी तरीके से देखो तो 5-digit नंबर है 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. स्टार्टिंग का नंबर देखेंगे 3 3 इक्वल है 4 4 इक्वल है 4 एंड 3. 4 बड़ा है या 3 बड़ा है? 4 बड़ा है. So this is our greater number. So we'll put our greater than sign towards the left. So we can read it as, इसे ऐसे पढ़ सकते हैं 34,412 is greater than 34,313. I hope you understood and you can solve rest of the question of question third. That's it for